Welcome to Excite for Life affiliate program. Here I'm going to show you how you can sign up to get your own affiliate account and start earning commissions with Excite for Life. So we get predominantly most of our business through word of mouth, and we wanted to give that value back to yourselves to say thank you for recommending us and referring people to us. So with our affiliate account, you'll actually receive 5% commissions on your own sales. So anything that you purchase from us, you'll get 5% back. And then anybody that you refer to us, you'll be given your own unique referral code, which you can send by text message, or you can send it on your Facebook or as an email. Any of your friends or family that then purchase an item through us using that referral link, you'll also get 5% commission from theirs as well. So this commission, you can either use it to buy, you can get a voucher to buy more products from us and get a discount, or you can actually have it transferred into your bank account. So there's a couple of different options there for you to save money or just to make money. Now also, if say for instance you introduce Margaret and Margaret then introduces Fred, you'll also get 4% of any of Fred's sales. And then if Fred introduced Pauline, then you'll also get 3% of any of Pauline's sales. So it's a really good commission structure, and it's just there just to give you a little bit of something back, just to say thank you for your continued support. So to create an affiliate account, all you need to do is just head on over to exciteforlife.co.uk, and if you click on affiliate just here in the top bar, it'll just give you a little bit of information there about our affiliate program. And then all you need to do is just add your email address. If you've already got an account with Excite for Life, you can use your existing email address, that's fine. And then you just type your first name and your last name, and then you just want to add your phone number. If you have a website, you can add that, but don't worry if you don't have a website, you can just leave it blank. And then just choose your password. So you can tell us a bit more about yourself and why you'd like to partner with us. So if you have a large Facebook following, or if you're just a personal individual who's been using CBD and like myself, it's really made a massive difference to your life, and you just want to share that with other people that you love, you can just tell us anything that you like in there. Just accept the terms and conditions and click submit. And then once you've submitted that, we'll receive an email to say that you've applied, and we'll send you an email back to let you know that you've been qualified and you can start using your referral links. So in the next video, I'm going to show you what happens once you have placed your application, and once it's been successful, I'll show you the back office and how to actually get your referral links so that you can start handing that out to people who you care about.